Hi, I'm Karen Borga, fiber artist, creating one thread at a time. And welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy it and you subscribe. Today, I want to talk about this big box of fiber that I got and the beginning of my new project. So let's do it. All right, so here we are. And so my next big project, you see I have a coat here that I just finished, is going to be another coat. And I'm like playing with all these ideas in my head about what I want the coat to look like. But one thing I know for certain is I want to create a fibrous art yarn to be spun and be put into the coat. And the fiber that I want to include is recycled blue jeans. So I'll do another video on how I think I'm going to get these blue jeans into a place where I can actually spin it into wool so that we can make this new coat. So as you know, if you've been following me for a while, I actually do go to sheep festivals and sheep farms, and I buy the fleece right from the farmer, and then I wash it and I prep it and dye it and spin it. Sometimes I dye it after I spin it, but you know, right from the beginning. But sometimes that's a lot of work. It's seriously a lot of work and a lot of time, and I love it. But I want to get moving on this coat. And so I decided that I was going to buy some commercially prepped fiber to use for this project, and thus this box. There are different kinds of fiber that you can use, and there's different grades of fiber. To be honest with you, I didn't think that I actually wanted or was going to even try to learn that when I started spinning. Ha! Isn't that ridiculous? Because the truth is there are over like 200 different kind of sheep, and these sheep all have different kind of fleeces. Some like merino, which is the top grade of the finest and softest, and then you go into the long wool like the Gotland, like I have on this coat around the collar and the hem. That is a much coarser grade. Yeah, there's a lot to know. There's a whole book on just all the different fiber, the sheep and the coarseness and whether you can felt it and whether it dyes. Well, I'm sorry. I'm probably lost you now. But anyway, the reason that I'm talking about this is because you know, you can buy from vendors and get like merino mixed with silk to spin and dye, and you know, it's really quite pricey, but you're getting quality fiber and silk in it. What I bought was a mid-grade. It's called Corriedale. So I'm buying this Corriedale because I want to mix it up with a lot of other fibers, and it's going to be a coat. So if it was going to be next to my Skin Soft, that's where you want to go with the merino and the silk, you know. But if it's outerwear, you can go with the coarse grade. So, here I go. Let me get the box so that you can see it. And voila! Oh my goodness. So, I just bought 11 pounds. 11 pounds of fiber. Yes. Oh my gosh. It is 11 pounds. It's very heavy. And so this fiber that I just got. Sure. Let me see. Move it a little bit. There we go. it is super soft. Doesn't smell like fleece. You know what? It smells like his shop probably smells, but that'll come out, or a little white vinegar in when I'm dyeing it, because I'm going to dye this. And you can see the staple length, which spinners need to know. And so that's a really nice staple length. And I get to get started on my coat. I bought this amount. I mean, this is a lot to have around, but 10 pounds is enough to weave a blanket. It's enough to weave a coat. And yeah, I don't know why people buy like a skein. I can't get my head around that, because a skein is going to be part of a scarf. You know what I mean? So anyway, I just wanted to show you the excitement of my day. I have this Cordale, and of course you will be seeing me figure out what color I'm going to make it. I wanted to go with blue jean material. I've saved up some blue jeans, and so we'll do some testing with it. I have extra because I've been spinning up that Coopworth, if you've seen in the previous videos, that I've been hackling and spinning that, and I had 6 pounds of that. So I was thinking I would use that for the warp, use this for the weft, and get my coat going. So thank you for watching, and I will be here next time with another video about, my journey on my new coat. Thanks for watching. Bye.